Hey, come cook dinner with me. Today I am making, what am I making? Fried rice. Fried rice is amazing, especially when you have a whole bunch of a protein to get rid of. I happen to have a giant ham, so I am making ham fried rice. But you do you, boo. Whatever protein you have left over from Thanksgiving or Easter, you throw that together and make some fried rice. So you pretty much can't go wrong. I have a bunch of veggies left over. I'm gonna throw some stuff in there that probably has no business being in traditional fried rice. That's okay, we're clearing out the fridge today. One very important note, it is highly suggested that you make your rice ahead of time, spread it out evenly on like a baking sheet and stick it in the fridge. Kind of want your rice to dry out and be able to be separated rather than if you cook rice and then throw it in the wok with a bunch of veggies, it's gonna turn into mush and nobody wants to eat baby food. Do yourself a favor, make the rice ahead of time and make it nice and cold.